these fucking Australians.
Entertainment, you're fucking bore, man. Man, it sure is fucking better than British bitches, you fucking fat ass white trash, motherfucker. You fucking get married.
You're really much better, hence why you stupid Australian cunts are coming over to our fucking country and fucking living here. I can say no more. Hence why you're fucking so fucking shit that you dirty Australian scumbag have to come over to fucking England and live here.
England than you would be. You're fucking
And keep crying because she got home, because you're the fucking one that's crying like a fucking bitch on fucking mic.
some weed. Take some weed, bitch. Take some weed, bitch. You
Take
are
some
crazy.
weed. No, Purple Plum, you can't take weed, you fucking mug. You smoke weed. So get your fucking words right if you want to use fucking insults on me about take fucking weed.
I will fucking insult you if I want. You're fucking 30. I will insult you, woman.
You cannot insult me, Purple Plum. Look at your face. Look at your face. Look at your voice. You're annoying. You're ugly. You're Australian. You and your fucking self. What are you? You're fucking weak. You live in fucking Australia. I'll say no more. You're a damn fucking foreign cunt.
The sound of your voice makes people want to cut kittens and pull their fucking organs out. How do you feel about that? Take some weed, bitch. Maybe that'll actually
on the fucking internet because clearly you have no fucking friends in real life. That's why you're on this shit more than any other fucking cunt I know. Because clearly you have no fucking on.
I have an image. Everyone want to follow my image. You have no image. You're fucking like in existence. Okay? You trying to act like Angelina Jolie.
That's why I come on this shit, and the first thing you ever said to me, Purple Plum, is, oh my god, you're Australian, you're not Australian, you sound Australian, just because you wanted to beg fucking friendship, you tried to be my fucking friend. I made you cry in the MVP room, Purple Plum. You said that I was going deep. You had to tell Snooki for me to stop fucking insulting you. You cried like a little fucking bitch, because me and Thelma fucking owned you, Purple Plum. Hence why you fucking PM me. Because you tell Thelma to stop. I'll get Thelma in this fucking room to prove my fucking point that you're a weak little fucking cunt.
Because you're fucking spaz! You don't go randomly fight with people! You fucking like go nuts! Calm the fuck down, bitch!
Fight with people.
I fucking own you!
No one's going nuts! You wanna mic fight me?
Not heavy.
If you don't like the way I mic fight, don't fucking step to me. If you don't like the way the tone of my voice, if you don't like the words that I fucking use, get the fuck out the fucking room. Because I'm not fucking mad. I'm actually calm as fucking hell right now because I'm fucking high. But you're the stupid little cunt that wants to try fucking insult me. If you don't like it, get the fuck out the fucking room.
Yeah, I'm a little cunt, but you're a fat cunt. I'm a little cunt and you're a fat cunt, bitch. Fucking immature lady. Such a child.
I tell her what the fuck to do. Oh my god, are you freaking stupid? Why don't you go kill yourself?
Okay, but you're not, like, helping your case at all. Either your mom made you look like a clown, or you told her to make you look like that. So either way, you're retarded.
It's making my ears bleed. Jesus Christ. God damn, shut the hell up.
Maybe you should take your headphones out. Jesus Christ. Maybe you shouldn't have them so close to your ears.
So, like, you say you pay good money for your hair, and I look like a bozo clown because I can't find any eyeshadow.
Oh my god.
Tim, what the hell are you doing? Okay, so that's how you fight people? You just say what the fuck you say? You're retarded.
Ass!
Oh, and I used the blue thing in the toilet.
I love how she's laughing at herself.
It's just, I don't have that good internet, so you kind of lag.
She's laughing at her own jokes.
That's what clowns
No, she just uses it in the
do. Clowns
toilet for her fucking eye.
make fun of themselves because they're funny looking. I'm talking about the fucking bitch with the red hair. You fucking lard ass. Go down another fucking foot long, bitch. Damn, it's the fucking fat squad right there, Daddy. Shovel web.
What happened?
Oh, I gotta go. Love you.